What's up, FH fam? It's your homeboy L here, and welcome to yet another subdivision tour. We are in Akina Villas South in Bacolod City, and this is the subdivision. Can you hear the wind? It's so windy here, so refreshing. This is their single detached bungalow, and that's their two-story single detached. And this subdivision is so big. Look, this is the entire area, the entire lot. Wow. This is developed by ML&D, one of the more renowned developers in Cebu, and they have come here in Bacolod to expand. There's nothing much to see here yet. I just visited this subdivision with my agents, and in order to know more about this project, I'm gonna add the next clip will be all about the AVP of this project, and in the description box I'm going to add the details, the unit types, the prices, everything that you need to know. Like, very wide roads. It's like 12 meters wide. So wide. So the next clip, watch the AVP, and see you in the next video.
ML&D, the sister company of renowned real estate developer MLD Dream Builders Inc., together with Master Builder, brings you Akina Villas. Feel at home as elegance greets you as soon as you step into this exclusive gated community. Set in a 20-hectare dream subdivision, this newest development offers tranquil living in the heart of southern Bacolod. Akina Villas sets the standards for ideal residential life. Here, you embrace a positive and nurturing neighborhood where possibilities are endless. Akina Villas features homes with peaceful and luxurious surroundings. It exudes modern architecture nestled in landscapes of greenery, with homes designed to complement the scenic views of the City of Smiles. Akina Villas has single detached homes that provide spacious living, fit for a laid-back lifestyle. This is a place where your home grows into a refuge to reconnect with nature. Because we are committed to turn your dream life into reality, we give you these house models to choose from. Akina Villas also has amenities that enable you to forge life-lasting connections with friends and family. It has a sizable modern high-ceiling clubhouse that can host your family milestones, such as weddings, birthdays, or even those simple, intimate gatherings. There is a basketball court and a swimming pool for varied athletic endeavors that encourages you to live an active lifestyle. While an open-area garden lot has been dedicated as a children's playground for any leisure or dream activity. Akina Villas is strategically located in a highly accessible area. So what are you waiting for? Find your dream home at Akina Villas.